Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came we saw the important opportunity from various companies like the Nvidia, CT and other hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. Talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Nvidia, they are hiring for the role of formal verification engineer. New college graduates means freshers can apply for this. The job locations will be Gurugram and Bengaluru, and this is a full-time role. So if you want, you can apply. So talking about the eligibility criteria, who are eligible? So अगर आपने BE, BTech और ME, MTech in electrical, computer science या related field से किए हैं, then you can apply. You should have hands-on experience with HDLC and the Verilog system or ability to understand RTL tool. So if you want, this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply. Moving to next, that is from the Angel one, and this is one the good company. So if you want, you can apply for this. So they are looking for the role of SD intern, and the job locations for this is Bangalore. So this is also a wonderful opportunity. If you want, you can apply. Moving to next, that is from the city carrier. So earlier I provided updates for the different role. Now this is the hiring for the different role, that is for app dev programmer analyst to C10 Pune. Okay, so the job location for this will be Pune. So if you want, you can apply. Talking about the roles and responsibilities, so you will be responsible to develop working application of city information system, assess applicability of similar experience, conducting testing and debugging, and other things are there. So talking about the eligibility area, so if you are the freshers or till 2 year experience, you can apply. Means 2025 or 2024 still can apply for this wonderful opportunity, and you should working have a working knowledge of industry practice and other things. So bachelor degree are means any bachelor degree can apply. They haven't mentioned like this computer science or other. So especially if you are computer science or IT background, then must apply for this. Moving to next, that is from the S Bank. They are hiring for the role of trainee, and for this the job location will be Mumbai. So this is a type of contractual role. So strong chance of getting reward. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. And this is urgent hiring. Okay. So similarly, you have to basically upload your resume and do the authentications, provide all the details and apply. Moving to next, that is from the Red Drop. They are hiring, and this is a kind of hackathon. So if you want, you can register for this. So India's most open hackathon, coder or not, student or not, from any city, any stream, any background can apply. You can get the prize money till 50 lakhs plus prize pool, and still 42 days are left. So if you haven't applied for it, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to last important opportunity, that is from the Shankul Solution. They are hiring for the role of data analyst, and for this the job location is Nagpur, Maharashtra. So far 100 plus applicants have been applied. So this is a wonderful opportunity. They are actively reviewing the application. So you can just refer to the company descriptions. And talking about the qualifications, so you should having strong analyticals and proven experience in data analytics, solid foundations in statistics and data interpretation, experience with data modeling, and the knowledge of SQL, Power BI, which is the key required for the data analyst role. And you should have bachelor degree in data science, statistics, mathematics, computer science, engineering, or related field. So if you are means if your criteria aligning with this job requirement, then must apply. I hope video informative to you. For getting such important job updates, you can subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job updates, internship, and the coding videos in our YouTube channel. So for getting such important update, you can subscribe. कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere. You can ask for query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.